Hello, my name is Mr. Cadella, and today I'm going to talk about the quality expectations we have in our class, and that is, what kind of artwork and high quality artwork are we expecting in this class? Whether it's a painting or drawing or a sculpture or a piece of clay art, we want the very best artwork that we can make. And here's an example that I made here that shows the kind of artwork that we are expecting in this class for painting. Now, you'll see that time was taken. This reflects that directions were followed, and this person tried their very best. Now, here's another example that I created of someone who may have not tried their very best. They rushed through the process, was very sloppy. You can tell they were going way too fast, and in some areas may have not even finished the project, and they tried turning this in. This is not acceptable for our class. So make sure, again, we want to create high quality artwork just like this one right here. Let's move on to another example, a couple examples that I created here of portrait drawing. Obviously, the example on the left is what we're looking for, and the one on the right, obviously, is not what we're looking for. This was rushed. Again, you see that this person was not taking their time, didn't apply a lot of detail, where on this one you see a lot of detail, actually, and this definitely reflects someone who took their time, really studied the directions, and tried their very best. You'll see shading that was done. You see even the detail in the hair as well, and they really tried to get little detail as well, the reflection in the glasses, things like that, and they really studied the shape of the eye, all the other facial features to make sure they created the very best artwork that they could create. This person didn't really study things too well, didn't really look at the person or the picture they were supposed to be drawing. They just sort of made it up in their head, and that really is many times a problem when we're doing observational drawing. That is, drawing we're supposed to be looking at and creating. So sometimes it's great to imagine things in your artwork. Sometimes we really do need to follow those directions to observe what we're looking at and draw that as well. You will notice as well that this person went so fast and kind of sloppy, they actually did it on the wrong side of their paper. Their name and hours should be on the back. Let's move on to another aspect of this class that we expect high quality in, and sometimes we have practice worksheets. Even though they're practice worksheets, we still expect the very best quality. Again, this person took time to shade evenly. I can show you up close. You can see that even though it's a practice worksheet, they really took their time. And here's another practice worksheet. Example, portraiture again, and you see again this person really looked at the picture on the left hand side, and on the right hand side they tried to recreate this. Now these are my examples, all these are my examples, so you'll see that I created an example of what we expect for high quality worksheet work as well. However, on the right hand side you see again what we're not expecting, someone just rushing through it, not taking their time, again not even studying the shape of the eye right here, just kind of making it up real quick. And again, sometimes it's great to make things up, to be imaginative, say for example in an imaginative sculpture, but many times we really need to follow those directions. That will help you accomplish the high quality artwork we're looking for. Here's one that I'm still working on. This is a cityscape, and I want to talk about sometimes things that do happen that are a little bit out of our control. You can see some marks down here on that cityscape. Sometimes, we are trying our best, but unfortunately there might be a little accident. Maybe something can't be erased. As Bob Ross, the famous art teacher, would say, an artist, he would say, we don't make mistakes, just happy little accidents. So we just turn this into a happy little accident. We can turn this into something maybe like, say, a shadow from one of the buildings, or maybe there's some marks on the road, or maybe we make like a hot dog stand or something like that and put it over this. So again, we expect high quality artwork in this class.